Happiest 18th birthday, Yana. Even though math separate us, our memories from childhood still make me feel close to you. I hope your day is filled with love, laughter, and everything you've been wishing for. Happiest 18th birthday. You deserve all the happiness in the world, and I hope to see you again the soonest.
Happy 18th birthday, Rihanna. I wish you all the best in life. May you always find happiness, peace, and success whenever you are. And even if we're far apart now, I'll always cherish and remember our childhood memories. So, ayun, always pray and be grateful for all the blessings that you receive. And don't hesitate to hit me up sometimes, okay? Again, happy birthday, and I miss you and enjoy your day.
Wishing you a birthday as sweet and lovely as you are. May your 18-year be full of love, happiness, and everything your heart desire. Happy birthday, Rihanna. God bless.
To my pamangkin, happy 18th birthday. Wish ko, sana hindi ka magbago. Nandito lang kami. At huwag sana magbago sa iyong mga lola at sa iyong lolo at sa iyong kapatid at sa iyong mga magulang. Sana matupad mo ang iyong mga pangarap, and may your birthday wishes come true. We love you very much, and more blessing and more birthdays to come. Be careful. I love you. Happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday, Yana. I love you, Yana. Miss you.
Happy 18th birthday, Yana. I know we don't know each other very well, pero I still want to wish you good luck sa buhay mo, and I guess sa school mo na. Be good to yourself, to your friends, and to your family, and mag-ingat kayo palagi. Good luck, God bless.
Hi, Rihanna! Happy 18th birthday! More birthdays to come. Long life and good health. Ngayon ikaw ay dalaga na. Huwag ka muna mag-aasawa ha. Tulungan mo muna ang iyong mami at daddy. Salamat sa support, sa mga pasalubong pag nauwi. Miss ka na namin. Mahirap pa kasing kausapin at ikaw ay Inglesera. Ang hirap mag-English. Nadugo ang aking ilong. Kaya kahit madami akong gusto mo sabihin, ang hirap mag-English at ako'y mahina sa English. Marunong naman ako, kaya laang pagsasabihin ko na ako'y nabubulol. Huwag ka muna mag-aasawa ha. Makinig palagi sa mami at daddy. Makinig palagi sa advice. Ikaw naman ay mabait na bata. Hanggang ngayong ikay nagdalagay, mabait ka pa rin. Again, happy 18th birthday. Huwag magkakasakit at palaging mag-iingat, lalo na sa trabaho. Kahit saan man pumunta ay palaging mag-iingat. Bye-bye! Happy birthday!
Hi Rihanna, happy birthday. Wishing you to have an amazing day full of love and laughter. May this new chapter of your life would bring you joy, success, and unforgettable memories. Once again, happy birthday and always take care of yourself. Bye.
Hi Rihanna, happy 18th birthday. Welcome to a new chapter of life full of dreams, responsibilities, and beautiful opportunities. I hope your journey ahead is filled with happiness, success, and all things heart wishes. Always stay kind, strong, and true yourself. Enjoy your special day and make every moment unforgettable. Cheers to a legal age and to amazing year ahead. Love you always.
Happy 18th birthday, Rihanna. I'm praying for your continuous success in life. May you live happily and healthy always. And always remember that we love you so much.
Hi Atiana, happiest birthday to you. I hope you enjoy your birthday and I wish you happiness and the best day ever. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Yana. Many birthdays to come. I miss you. I love you. We love you so much. Okay. Happy 18th birthday, Yana. Love you. Take care. God bless you.
Happy 18th birthday, Yana. More birthday to come. I miss you. I love you.
Ninong.
Oh. Yana, happy 18th birthday. Many more birthdays to come. Good health and God bless you. I love you. We love you so much.
Sabay-sabay.
Happy 18th birthday, Yana.
Happy birthday,
More birthday to
Yana.
come. I miss you. I love you. God bless. Happy 18th birthday, Yana. More birthday to come. I miss you. I love you. Sana ay sapitin ka pa ng maraming kaarawan at makatapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral. Gusto kong makarating diyan, kaya lang ay hindi nakarating.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Adriana. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Atiana.
Happy birthday, baby!
Happy birthday, baby. Wish you all the best of your life. Good health and thank you.
And always remember that our love and our prayer will always be with you. We love you and we miss you, baby!
We miss you, baby. I love you.
Happy birthday, Atiana. I miss you and I love you.
Hi Rihanna, happy 18th birthday. May this year be filled with so much joy, laughter, and incredible memories. Dream big, embrace new experiences. I know you have so much potential ahead of you. Again, happy 18th birthday. I love you so much and I miss you. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Rihanna. Happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the luck and happiness and good health. Yun lang, I miss you.